This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to a high-profile location in the South Loop, directly across the street from the fabulous Grant Park, and close to dining, nightlife, colleges and universities, and a CTA Red Line stop for a tour of one of the apartments at the new 820 South Michigan. I've just walked into apartment 809. I'm in a wide foyer where there's space for a hall console table. Swinging around to the left, stylish new bath. There's a wide shower with a body spray attachment, wall-mounted medicine cabinet, a floating vanity. Continuing into the unit, closet off to the left. You're looking at plank flooring and ceilings that soar up to over 13 feet. Galley-style kitchen, 4-burner electric range, there are quartz counters, cabinet top microwave. There's a built-in dishwasher, undermount stainless steel sink with a spray attachment on the gooseneck faucet, 42-inch upper cabinets for additional storage. A pretty fair amount of space here for a studio, but ceiling heights really seem to expand it. Very attractive finishes at 820 South Michigan. You have a terrific location, and you have rents that appeal to the budget-conscious renter. You really want to put this on your must-see list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.